Hi! In front of me is TECNO Spark Go, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. Firstly, go into Tab menu and click on Adaptive Brightness shortcut. It should be located under Brightness slider. As you can see, my shortcut is now blue. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Devices settings, scroll down, select Display and Brightness, and click on this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!